Welcome you all to my channel Achieving Alpha, and in this particular video we'll be talking about how you can create a good amount of wealth and become financially free at a very young age. One of the questions that people ask is that is it even possible to do that? So yes, I have been in the markets for quite some time now and have been creating consistent profits and generating good amount of wealth every single week and every single month. uh, how I do that is definitely by trading stocks and investing, as you might have guessed by the name of the channel and the logo here. So, in this video, we are going to talk about is it even possible to do so? And I'm sure if you're watching this video, you already know about the magic of compounding, but then compounding takes a lot of time to work. So, the idea that I propose here is that you develop the skills or you learn trading stocks that can just generate you 1.5 to 2% a week. So this is a small number, but it's really practical and achievable. And even if you are, let's say, a very young person with not much of a capital, and if you are able to generate 1.5 to 2% per week consistently for a very long period, I'm sure that you're going to hit financial freedom and you're going to love that. Let me introduce like what are the kind of things that we'll be talking about on this channel. So we'll be talking about wealth creation, stock market updates, we'll be learning about technical analysis, fundamental analysis. I'll also be sharing some of the trading strategies that I have developed over the time that's been giving me consistent returns, and if the response is good, I might also consider doing live trading videos. Let's get back to the subject of this particular video. So we are talking about generating wealth and being financially free at a very young age. But how do we do that? I told you that you need to develop some skills. Basically, you need to develop trading skills to generate just 1.5 to 2%. That's it. That's really it. That's all you need. So let me show you like what sort of wealth we can create in the long run. So just give me a second. And yeah, all I'm going to do is open a compound interest calculator, or maybe an uh, okay, let's go for a compound interest calculator. So this is what I get here, and then let me just show you. So I'm assuming that you're between 20 to 25 and you have at least 1 lakh rupees of savings. So generating 1.5 to 2% a week isn't really that hard if you're trading in options, and particularly if you're selling options, but that has its own risks. So in this channel, we are also going to talk about how you can trade derivatives, that is futures and options, the right way with a favorable risk is to reward ratio, because I see a lot of people start with option selling. They make good profits for 1 or 2 weeks, and after that they make a huge loss that takes away all their profits, and in fact it gives them a net loss. So that isn't that great, but we are going to talk about option strategies and everything further in this channel. So my goal is to just tell you that achieving 1.5 to 2% on a weekly basis is possible. People are doing it, and it can give you a really good wealth over the time. So let me just start off that by assuming that you're having at least 1 lakh rupees of saving, and if you're 20 to 25, I don't think that saving 1 lakh rupees is a big thing for you. Any normal person with a normal job can do this. So I'm assuming that you have 1 lakh rupees of saving, and then let's just select this to weekly. And as mentioned, let's keep it realistic. Achieving 1.5% through intraday trading, selling options, and swing trading isn't that hard. It's very much doable. So let's just set the interest rate that we are getting, or the ROI, or the return on investment, to be 1.5% weekly. And I want to compound this weekly because I'm assuming that I'm making 1.5% weekly. And let's take a period of 10 years. If even if you're 21 or 22, after 10 years you'll be in your 30s, and uh, let's just see what sort of wealth you would be creating over that period of time. So you can see that the amount is really shocking, and I know that there are going to be some weeks you're going to be making losses, some weeks you're going to make profits. The entire goal is to just create a profit or create an ROI of 1.5% in 1 week, and that's really very much doable. So this is the amount of wealth that you are generating. This is 23 crores. Uh, to be honest, this is more than a million. So you can become a millionaire in your 30s. It's entirely possible. And 1.5% per week is a achievable target. I won't call it too easy, but it isn't that hard as well. If you learn and you develop the skills of trading stocks, swing trading, intraday trading, selling options, trading options, even buying options. So basically you can achieve this, and this is really possible. And down the lane for this channel, I have a lot of plans to upload a lot of educational videos and content which is going to help you achieve this 1.5% a week. And a lot of people underestimate 1.5%. They say it's a small amount, but you can yourself see that if you compound it weekly for just 10 years. I know 10 years is a lot of time and it takes a lot of dedication and discipline to do this, but I think it is achievable, and people have done that. I myself am doing this and I'm seeing pretty good results. So uh, you can do this, and you should never be greedy, because a lot of people, when they come to the stock market, they exceed their expectations from the market. They start taking oversized trades, they start getting greedy, they follow poor risk management, and ultimately they blow up their account or they lose their entire money. So you should remember that there are going to be losses, there are going to be profits, but the aim per week is to be net profitable by 1.5%, and that's what you need to do for the week. You made 1.5%, don't get greedy, just close your trading desk and just close the week. And if you can do this with discipline, I'm pretty sure that in the long term you're going to create a really good wealth for yourself. So that's all for this video that I would like to share, and thank you so much for listening and watching, and please consider subscribing if you think that this is going to help you. So as promised, I will come up with a lot of educational content and strategies that can help you achieve this 1.5%. And I think that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.